show you something. I have here all these special tools and I like to use it when I buy a car, and I think you should do the same. Yesterday I want to go buy a car with my bike, and I think why I don't have all these tools. Look, all these tools in my pocket, and look what I have here. This is KINGBOLEN EDIag ELITE. Let's see. Very tiny tool. And that's it, guys. All you need. You have here instruction. Download the app. Now the app is downloaded. You don't need this anymore. You can log in with an email address or with this serial number. Let's see what we're gonna have here. You can log with a car by VIN, serial number or model. You have a lot of cars here. Anyway, I have outside a broken car, and let's go to see what problem we will find with this tool. So I have here a car with a lot of problems. I will show you right now. We have check engine. Okay, and we will connect the OBD port, which is here. Let me take the tool from the pocket and put it here. Okay, you have clean light. And now let's connect with the phone. Let's see. We have a 4K here. I need to activate the tool first. Very fast. I will scan the code. And that's it. Now we have blue light here. The light is blue. It's scanning. Now the car is connected. So let's see what we're gonna have here. and our problem is intake temperature sensor and knock sensor. I know this trouble because the sockets are out. So guys, the tool is perfect. It's tiny, it's best to use. Bye.